Welcome back, and this time it's another present to my little kid, and it's Kawasaki quad battery operated ride-on, 12 volt, maximum speed 9.6 kilometers an hour. And in this video we're gonna unbox it, assemble and give it a test run. We're gonna compare it to the Volvo ride-on. Let's get started. Unpacking and assembly will require approximately up to 2 hours to complete. I've done it myself, and let me lay out everything here for you so you can see exactly what you get out of the box. This product I got from Walmart. It's not cheap, but it's not as expensive as the Volvo one. That's a lot of parts to assemble, and you also need to put some decals on at the end. The battery is pretty big and heavy, and make sure that you charge it before first use for at least 18 hours. It even says on the box, so make sure you do that. Let's start assembling here. I'm using a cordless drill for ease of use, and I'm just following the instructions. It will take time and patience. The quad is rear wheel driven. There is 4 plastic wheels. The rear wheels are bigger than the front ones, and let me tell you that the plastic wheels are useless. I don't understand why they charge you so much money for it and they can't make proper wheels. They skid and slip on the surface, they make a lot of noise on the pavement, and they wear out and gets worn out pretty quick. So in this video I will also show you a modification to the wheels that I'm gonna do. If you're not planning to do this modification, don't get it, because it's gonna be sliding all over. As soon as you press on the gas or on the throttle, it's gonna skid. Not the best design. They should have made the wheels at least somewhat, rubberized. The 4 wheels are on, the caps and the nuts are being tightened by those included tools. Assembling here the front decorative bumper and installing the decals. Alright, it's done. Now let me show you how to install the battery. There is a connector here, so it's pretty unique connector, so you're not gonna be able to buy a battery from a battery store. And this is how the tray drops the battery down. You pull on the handle up and back, and this raises the battery up. Disconnect, and the battery is out to get charged. This is the tray that's inside the quad. Connect, put it in the tray, and using the handle lower it. Next I want to show you how bad the plastic wheels are. So there is a forward button and reverse button. You press on the gas pedal, this is 1 speed. You press the reverse button, it goes back, and if you add throttle, it will increase the speed pretty much double, so from 5 kilometers to 10. And those plastic wheels are terrible. Let's modify the wheels here. I've already done the back wheels, as you can see, plastic, and it's already all scratched up. You will need to get 4 bicycle tires. I'm gonna show you the size of it, and just screw them onto the wheel. And let me tell you, I've been using the quad for a while now, and no problems whatsoever. From plastic, you're gonna go to rubber, real bicycle rubber. It's gonna give you so much more traction, and it's gonna be so much more quieter and smoother ride. So these are the bicycle tires. You can see all the specs here, the size. You will also need some screws. These are the screws that I've chosen. They're black. I think they're drywall screws. And some washers. These are kinda interesting washers. It's metal and rubber together. Even if you don't have those washers, just use the screws. It's not a big deal. And the first thing you will need to do, You'll need some scissors, a knife, and a electric drill. You want to cut out the cord from the bicycle tire on both sides of the tire. Just make sure you're making here a nice job and you're cutting out the cord nice and straight. This way the tire will be even and straight on your plastic wheels. I'm using a sharp knife here to cut out the cord from one side and the other. Repeat the same on the other tire, and once you cut out the cords, just cut the tire in half using scissors. Now to the installation. This will take some time. You want to screw the tire onto the wheel. I'm using both screws on the sides, and then I'm gonna run an extra row of screws right in the middle. And I'm screwing the screws in the lower portion of the plastic tire, not on the upper, so the screws are not sticking out, because those tires have bumps on them. So you're gonna screw the screws in the lower portions of the plastic tire. To finish it up, I'm gonna leave some extra tire here, cut it out and just overlap. And this is where the last 3 screws will go, and this way it's overlapped, it's not gonna go anywhere. And the last row of screws right in the middle. We have used the quad outside already for quite a while, and let me tell you, the tires hold really well. We've had 0 problems with this modification. So if you're getting any ride-on and you have plastic shitty wheels, just do this mode. Let's have some fun. Едь. Стой, Оскар, стой! Стой, Оскар! О! Назад! Назад! Вперед, вперед, вперед! Назад. Назад. Еще. Стой, Эрик. Давай.